Now we will discuss types of functions. First, one-one functions. What is one-one function? From the name of the one-one function, you will better know कि every element of domain having distinct image in codomain. Means क्या है, इसमें हर एक एलिमेंट डोमेन का हर एक एलिमेंट कोडोमेन से अलग अलग इमेज रखेगा. मीन्स अल्फा कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम ए बीटा B and gamma C. This type of function is known as one-one function. Now, for solving or questions for one-one function, how can we solve the function is one-one? We will take let two element in belongs to X. What is X here? X belongs to domain. Now, if fx1 is equal to fx2, then we have to show that x1 equal to x2. Then it will be 1-1. How can we solve one-one function? For the question solving one-one function, we will take two elements x1 and x2. Suppose that is x related to domain. Now images of x1, what is fx1? What fx1 will represent here? Image of x1 in codomain. Now what is x2? fx2. If after solving this we will get x1 equal to x2, then this type of function is known as one-one function. Now after doing one-one function, we will take another many-one function. What the meaning of many-one function? At least one element of domain images in codomain. Means at least one element is one or more. दो एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज है, ये भी हो सकता है, या इट में भी ये भी हो सकता है कि all three element having one image. Means alpha, beta, gamma, and here codomain only one. तो it is also 1-1. But at least कम से कम दो एलिमेंट तो होने ही चाहिए इसमें. दो से ज्यादा तीन चलेगा, चार चलेगा, तो इस टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन इज नोन एज मैनी वन फंक्शन. नाउ ऑन टू फंक्शन, one and on to we have to prove in our exercise, so it should be more clear. one and on to function, all element of codomain having pre-image in domain. Means अगर if we are talking about images, so now what is the image of A? If I will say, means in mathematically how can I write this? F A equal to alpha. So what do you mean this? कि image of A is alpha. If I will say कि what is the pre-image of alpha? You will say very simple A. To same that what is the image of B? Beta. So in this all element of codomain having pre-image in domain. कोडोमेन के जितने भी एलिमेंट है सबकी प्री-इमेज किसमें होनी चाहिए? डोमेन में होनी चाहिए. मींस कोडोमेन में सारे एलिमेंट ऑक्युपाइड होनी चाहिए. कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जो छूट जाए. तो it will not be onto function. So how can we mathematically prove it onto? If there exists an element y which is belongs to y, so it should be x belongs to x, then fx equal to y. After when we will do solve the question, you will understood better what is this. Now last type of function, into function. This type of function a b is image. What is the image of AB? Alpha. And what is the image of C? Beta. So gamma is left here. So it means at least one or more element will be left in codomain. This type of function is known as into function. One more thing, for onto function, range of f is equal to codomain. Range of f equal to codomain. This will very important also. कि अगर मैं ये कहूं कि रेंज कितनी है, रेंज किसके इक्वल है? सॉरी, तो रेंज किसके इक्वल है? कोडोमेन कितना है? अल्फा बीटा गामा. और रेंज कितनी है? अल्फा बीटा गामा. बट हियर इनटू व्हाट इज रेंज? इफ आई विल से रेंज विल बी सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन. सबसेट मींस रेंज क्या है? कम है किससे? कोडोमेन से. अगर मैं कहूं कि रेंज कितनी है यहाँ, तो यू विल से अल्फा और बीटा. ये तो रेंज हो जाएगी, रेंज ऑफ ये जो अल्फा और बीटा. और कोडोमेन कितना हो जाएगा? व्हाट इज कोडोमेन? वी विल से सर सेट बी इज नोन एज कोडोमेन. तो रेंज इज द सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन. तो हियर फॉर इनटू डिफाइनिंग इनटू फंक्शन, रेंज विल बी सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन.